Hey everyone, let's see how to change the Google Chrome theme or background image for Google. You can click on the pencil icon at the bottom right corner and click on change theme. You can try to choose the option light, dark or device mode. You can choose between these different modes. You can choose the color from here or like white, dark. You can also click on change theme and choose the one you like. For example, Latino artist collection. You can choose any of them, or you can also turn on refresh daily. So this way it will change the background image for Google Chrome every day or on daily basis. This is a beautiful theme too, Asian and Pacific one. So you can try and select the one that you like the most. There is landscapes, textures, cityscapes, seascapes. There are so many different themes. You can choose any of your choice, and you can also turn on refresh daily button. So this way it will change the image every day for you. This is so beautiful. Look at this seascapes. I'm gonna turn on for refresh daily, and I'm gonna set this for my laptop. You can also change the colors in the background for the theme by choosing the ones from here, and this will change the appearance, like the background appearance for the theme. Or you can also reset to default Chrome from here. You see that option, and that is how you change the theme. Thank you, see you in the next video. Bye.